Let's make this sweet and decadent double chocolate banana bread, which you are definitely going to love. Start with mashing 3 ripe bananas and keep them aside. And then in a large bowl, combine butter, brown sugar and white sugar. Once everything is combined, add 2 eggs one at a time, mixing in between adding the 2 eggs. And now add the mashed bananas to the butter and sugar mixture. Whisk this well. And now in a separate bowl, sift together all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder. Whisk everything together and now add the dry ingredients to the banana bread batter and mix thoroughly with a spatula. Now into this add some toasted walnuts and some chocolate chips and mix this again. Do not overmix. Pour the batter into a greased loaf pan and top the banana bread with the remaining chocolate chips. Now bake at 175 degrees Celsius for about 1 hour or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once baked, let it cool on the wire rack for 15-20 minutes and then take it out of the pan, cut the slices and enjoy.